Hey guys, Whiskey Odin here tonight. Going to do a quick one. Got the Vinny here with us, and we are going to do something that I just found out about. This is Mike Rose Whiskey Noble from his grandfather, Carl Noble, who was a construction guy and led Mike into that dirty jobs and all that other stuff. Very cool. This is their barrel strength 120 proof. Vinny, let's do a quick nose. The color is fantastic. The nose is fantastic, like a floral.
Yeah.
This is a Tennessee whiskey, and I had not heard about it. Do a quick taste. It's very smooth for 120 proof. Guys, this is a fantastic whiskey. If you get a chance to find this, please do. Mike, good job. And till next time, I am Whiskey Odin. Follow Whiskey Witch, our farm, Valkyrie Mountain. And please drink responsibly, and cheers.
Cheers.